Hey everyone, Brian Douglas here from Control System Lectures. Now, I know that this isn't the usual format that I use to communicate to you guys with, but don't freak out just yet. I wanted to take a moment and share my vision for the future of this channel, and then also hopefully get some feedback from you guys to see what you would like to see from me in the months going forward. Now, I started Control System Lectures about 5 or 6 months ago because I wanted to provide clear and concise descriptions of really popular control system theory topics. Hopefully give you a little bit of a different perspective on it than what you learn in school, or as a supplement to what you learn in school. And this channel is doing way better than I thought that it ever would. And I have you guys to thank for that, for subscribing and for leaving comments and generally just motivating me to continue. But not only do I want to provide a resource for students and engineers in the field, in the control theory field, but also I wanted to inspire younger engineers to take up control system theory as a career and just show them that it's exciting and that it's fun and that hopefully it's a little bit simpler than you might have thought to begin with. So far to date, I've just been providing you guys with sort of a textbook knowledge of control system theory. It's kind of the same stuff you're learning in school, maybe with a small twist of how we use it in the field. But in my mind, it's lacking that kind of practical application that students want to know and that generally motivates them to continue to learn. And one thing that I realized is that when I graduated college, I could design a control law on paper, no problem. But I felt that I lacked that kind of practical application skill to be able to take that knowledge and transfer it into real life problems. And so this is where a new set of videos will come in. These videos are going to be me in person like this, talking to the camera, and also demonstrating some of the control theory topics that we go over in the lectures course, but with real-life applications. We'll actually build up educational platforms that'll demonstrate those topics that we're learning in the lecture side. However, I want this to be more of just a one-way conversation. I'm hoping to get you guys involved in this conversation, leaving comments below, leaving questions below, answering questions, maybe providing a video response to things that I'm talking about. And hopefully, as this channel grows, we'll be able to create an engineering resource for people, a place to go to get practical advice on designing, building control systems as the core, but also just engineering topics in general. So that's really all I wanted to say in this video. It's more of just an announcement of things to come. Get you guys thinking, maybe leave some comments down below, and like I said, give me your feedback on what your thoughts are. Now, before I sign off though, I have to real quickly give a shout out to some folks over at pololu.com. Pololu is a robotics and electronics company, and they sell parts online. But it's because of support from them that I'm actually able to go forward and do these videos. A few weeks ago, I wrote them and asked them if they were interested in supporting me and this channel so that I would be able to provide you guys with these educational platforms, things like the Arduino, like some of these sensors and actuators that I have, but without so much expense out of my own pocket, since I'm just doing these things for free for you guys. And they were more than willing to help. They sent me a bunch of great stuff. I have a lot of it behind me, and going forward I'm going to be using all of this hardware to demonstrate those control theory topics. Now, I've left descriptions of all of these parts in the description of this video below, so that if you guys want to buy the exact ones that I have and build up your control platforms alongside me over the next couple of months, you can do that. Okay, now the last thing I want to say is that I'm taking the next 3 weeks off for a vacation. When I get back, there's a whole series of control system lecture videos that I want to do. I want to talk about linearizing systems, system identification, filtering, plus sensors, actuators, and eventually getting into modern control theory. But in addition to those videos, I'll also be putting out some of these Control System Lab videos where hopefully we'll be able to demonstrate some of those in a real-life setting. Alright, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and you can follow me at Twitter at Brian B. Douglas. Leave a comment or question down below, and as always, thanks for watching.